Hey everybody, it's David, Marketing Manager at Thera Wellness. In preparation for the cycling time trial this summer, I've made some drastic changes to my position on the bike. In collaboration with an expert in these things, I've moved my handlebars 44 millimeters lower, and I've switched to a handlebar that's 40 millimeters narrower. In the long run, I think this new setup will be more comfortable and faster, but my body is taking some time to get settled into this new position. Particularly, all the muscles that help keep my neck in position are feeling it. So to help them recover and get stronger, I'm going to run a quick session with the Thera Wellness device. For most people experiencing this kind of discomfort, the cause is likely stress. But in this case, we know that isn't the case because of clear cause and effect. As such, we can just focus on the muscles and spine. So I'll go into program number, and we'll do 3586 for an energy block in the neck, 3585, which also helps with energy blocks in the neck, and then 771, which is a more spine-centered energy block, 152.1, which helps with muscle resilience, 153, which does much the same, and then 150 to give the muscles a little extra boost. And then I'll hit enter, enter again, and we'll go into channel 2, substance complexes, categories, and we'll scroll down to musculoskeletal, hit enter, and then we want muscle balance yang. With that, I'll hook up this square applicator mat, and I'll slip it in to the base of my neck. I'm also going to take a chip and my pendant and put them into the chip tray so I can take my session with me.